God, folks, the Lord is blessing me tenfold today. All right, I'm going to bring the spare phone, but we're going to walk this one out. I got to get my wheelchair, though. I got cans for one of my old friends, and he's having a little trouble right now. So I'm giving them to him. I'm gonna put the phone camera aside like I did before. The last one. Oh, he has a daughter too. I should bring the helmet. No, that goes for Marlon. I'm sorry. That goes to Harley Grace. Yep. That's all right. That root's coming out nice, huh? Yeah. Those aren't pot plants either. I wish they were. They're freaking green peppers, man. And parsley and stuff. And they only been in there. I know John Cook, I got to separate them, but they're just growing so good in there, man. I'm going to separate and sell them out here in this place. We can make a lot of money doing that. I love this jazz music, man. And it's good, it's rap. But I gotta go, I gotta run. I'll put that on when I go back. I was gonna wear this down there. Why? Why would I do that? Give some old lady a heart attack? Alright, I just gotta find my sneakers. It's a mess. The place is a mess. I don't want to wear my new boots either. I got some new boots. Alright, where are the boots? The shoes. Come on, I just had them a minute ago. Alright. I'll show you my boots later. And the big gold chain. And outside all the hip hop spots. You connect the dots. Outside, you now so nobody hears you. Never the faith unroll. Just a fresh person, new position, something matters. Woo! Oh man, I'm just looking for the keys, guys. They gotta have my favorite. No, I can't go. Oh, here they are, my keys. I can't go without my keys, man. Here they are, God bless. I can't go without the keys, man. All right, we got a box of cans, monster cans. And he's giving me an Arizona, man, $1 Arizona. That's a good trade. Plus this big bag. Another big bag of monster cans. Because I don't drink liquor. So I don't have beer bottles or anything. So. Keys on me? Hang on, just make sure. Come on, where did I do with the keys? Hang on. Oh, so long. Oh my God, it's hard to get my wheelchair out, but I have to. Rock the bells. It must be for Cool J. Say what? Cool J. Cool J. Say what? Say what? Whoa. Almost lost it, man. Alright, you know what I'll do? I'm gonna put this right here. I'm gonna do it like this. And then this one just carry on the side. That's easy. Alright, here we go. Alright, cool. So, my surprise and what helps me out today and what my God's blessing is, I'm able to give cans away to somebody. For real. I love it, man. I love helping people out. I'm not monetized, none of that shit. All right, guys, I just do this out of my heart, man. I mean, yeah, would I like to make money off this? Yes. Heck yeah, I would. Why not? Would I like to live a better life? Heck yeah, I would. And it will happen eventually. Doing what I love to do is helping people out. Right. Oh, I don't know where this guy's gonna go. Which side? Probably the back, though. Oh man, because I could. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna actually, you know what? I'm gonna go out where the front of the building. Actually, you know, I'm gonna go to the front of the building. I bet she's gonna go to the front. Yeah, we'll go to the front. And I can put my jacket on and stuff. I'm like Cyprus. This might be mine, but I don't know. I don't know. This really actually might be mine. No, that ain't mine. No. Hey, let's get these cans out of here. It's all right.
Bingo.
Bingo, I know. I knew that was gonna happen. It's all right. I'm giving them to somebody, so. Yeah. It's a lot of money for these now, man. The cans. Yeah, they're like 10 cents each now, I think.
10 cents.
Something like that, right? 10 cents?
Yeah.
A lot of money. All right, bye-bye. Thank you. All right, I think they're going to come in there. Oh, it's cold. All right. I don't know where the fuck they are, though. Let's just stop right here. Put the cans in right here and then put my jacket on. He'll be here in a couple minutes, I hope. My friend. They were all like looking at me and shit. I don't care. Let them look. Oh man, it's cold. Oh, it's cold. Oh my God.
Ve acá, que esto es serio. Espérate que me falta mi paño.
Oh, I don't know, man.
Que destruye tu paz mental y tu sistema nervioso. No es familia. No es amigo.
All right, I'm just gonna flip it up for a minute.
No es el amor de tu vida.
No, I can't. I thought it's not alive, so. All right, I'll do part 2 in a minute, all right? Part 1 was funny enough. All right, bye.